I learned something new last week. Ever think about the difference between resume and resume? Well, before last week, I didn't really bother with it, but now I'll never look at the letters RESUME the same again. To create the accent marks in the word resume, you simply begin typing the word and then press both the Control key and the apostrophe key followed by the E key. How quickly you type the E key is not as important as hanging on to the Control and apostrophe keys while you press the E key. To find out other shortcut keys to accents, try Googling the question. I Googled accent marks in resume. I found a great PDF from Montana State University. The PDF gives shortcuts for many letters. So glad I was shown this trick. I learned to work smarter.